Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. So first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's walkthrough, we are going to see a Heartland 3. The Heartland 3 consists of 1,825 square feet. It can be 3-bed or 4 bedrooms. Today you're going to walk the 3-bed, 2-bath, living room, and a den. It's got an absolutely beautiful front porch, guys, so you are going to love today's walkthrough. If you're interested in building your dream home, or you know anyone else that is interested in building their dream home, please get with me directly with my email, Shields, S-H-I-E-L-D-S, at nccustom-modulars with an S.com. That's Shields at nccustom-modulars with an S.com. And as always, guys, sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks. Alright, so this morning I am over here in Guilford County, North Carolina, and as you can see, I have got an absolutely beautiful home to take you through this morning, okay? So we're going to walk the Heartland 3. It is 1,825 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, a living room and a den. Like I said there on the intro, it can be optioned into a true 4-bedroom by eliminating that secondary den or family room. I'll show you that on the floor plan when we get inside. But is this thing not absolutely gorgeous? You got that regatta blue vertical siding on this front elevation here. You've got an awning on that double window and this double window. And then you've got the 8x30 double gable front porch on a full foundation. Treated lumber, pickets, posts, decking, all that kind of stuff. We know this whole porch is optional. We could do different material, different sizing, different styles, shed style, all that kind of stuff. So keep that in mind. But I just love it. Love, love, love it. Got the black gutters and downspouts. Awesome stuff. So let's get in here and take a look. Now, when you open the door, you are greeted by a very large living room, open concept. You've walked a number of Heartland 3s with me. If you want to see more Heartland 3s, when you're on my YouTube homepage, click playlist, find Heartland 3, and I've got them all filtered and sorted out for you. So here it is. I mean, take that in. Wow. Really nice open concept. I love the exposed beams. Those are always going to be an option for your ceilings. You are seeing the 9-foot ceilings today. Large island, can fit 3 stools under there very comfortably. Really good sized dining area here off the left. This door is optional. You have a window here included. So if you want that third door, we need to have that conversation. Remember that the utility room door and front door are the only doors that are included, generally speaking. So that's me looking back at that front door. Look at all the can lights, the beautiful black fan. You are seeing the black hardware package today, so your knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, light fixtures, all that. Your recessed TV box there. All right, so let's get into the kitchen. This is the original Heartland kitchen layout. This is not the alternate kitchen, which is featured at our new lot model there in Burlington. You are seeing the granite tops. I would call those optional or an upgrade. One unique thing in today's video I haven't seen in a while is this customer has it prepped for some type of wine cooler, mini fridge, what have you there. Done it in the past. I don't know if I've shown that to you, so if you want to do something like that, let us know. There's your mounted microwave instead of the range hoods. I feel like I talk about that every video, but you know the range hood is included. You can option in the mounted microwave. Look at this island. So you got the double pot and pan drawer there. All the drawers and cabinets are going to be soft close, all that good stuff. Dovetail construction. They're not stapled in or anything. This cabinet color is the ash walnut. The flooring color is the fawn. All right, let's check out this pantry. So first of all, look at this door. So we actually show this door on our Stanley lot model there in Burlington as well. Beautiful little optional door, which leads to this just incredible pantry. Look how high that shelving is. So much storage. Easy access 50-gallon water heater. Your 5-panel interior doors. I've already pointed out the black hardware. Nationwide's included casings, crown molding, base molding, front door. Blinds are optional, call it $1,000 for the blinds throughout the entire home. All right, to the master suite we go. So you are seeing the LVP throughout. So this customer paid extra to have that vinyl plank flooring ran in the bedrooms as well as the main spaces. Nice walk-in closet. Storage behind there. Got your shoe cubby. Really good master bedroom. Really good size. Outlets everywhere you look. 5 outlets just glancing around. Got the trade ceiling. You do not see this much in my videos. We show this in our Sparta lot model. Call it $1,300 to put some detail in that bedroom ceiling, just like you're seeing there. You are about to see the optional tub shower bathroom. So the included bathroom layout is pretty simple. You just replace that tub with a linen closet. You move that window to where my finger is, and that shower would not have tile. Okay, so they added the tile, the tub, cultured marble top. So you saw the granite in the kitchen. They went with the cultured marble in the bathrooms. The included black frame mirrors. That is not a part of the black trim package. Those are free or included if you want them. All of the switches have gone to this style instead of that old school, or most of them have gone to that. All right, so let's cross that main space and check out the utility, which is gonna be right here on the right. Got the attic access pull down with the fold out ladder. To my right is that utility room. Outlet there for a freezer. Another outlet there. 200 amp service there. Exterior door. And then that leads you to this main general space here, which takes you to the den straight ahead, or family room. This is the area that could be used for that 4th bedroom. Remember, this is the Heartland 3, 1,825 square feet. It's got a bigger brother, the Heartland 3 XL at 2,089. Bed 2, bed 3, bath 2. They actually added ceiling fans throughout from us. I feel like I say it in every video, but all the rooms come wired and braced. You'll have additional switching on the wall. If you want a fan from us though, the day it shows up, the fan would be extra. All right, so this is that last bedroom. And we will wrap today's video up. I want to thank you for clicking on it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. You are the Heartland 3, produced by Nationwide and built on site by Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. My name is Shields. My email is shields@nccustomodulars with an s.com. Before we go, I want to show you the floor plan real quick. We're standing right here. Spare bedrooms, master suite. All right, guys. Like I said, thank you for the views. Stay tuned every Monday and Thursday of every week, 4:30 Thank you guys. Take care.